a disturbing incident, the National Commission for Women has stepped in to demand immediate action against one Ahmed K, a Delhi resident, for making lewd and derogatory comments online about the widow of Kirti Chakra awardee Captain Anshuman Singh. The NCW has written a letter to the Delhi Commissioner of Police urging the arrest of the accused and submission of a detailed report within 3 days. After identifying the offensive comment on a photo of Captain Singh's widow, the NCW cited specific legal provisions that the comment violates. These include Section 79 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which penalizes acts intended to insult the modesty of a woman, and Section 67 of the Information Technology Act 2000, which deals with punishment for publishing or transmitting obscene material in electronic form. The letter details the penalties under these laws, noting that the offences can lead to imprisonment for up to 3 years and fines for the first-time offenders, with harsher penalties for repeat offences. The NCW has called for the prompt registration of an FIR against Ahmed K and his swift arrest. They have also emphasized the need for a fair and timely investigation, demanding a detailed action taken report within 3 days. As we stand in solidarity with Captain Anshuman Singh's widow, let us remember the sacrifices made by our brave soldiers and the dignity their families deserve. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the respect and empathy we owe to the loved ones of those who have given their lives for our nation. Justice must prevail, and the honor of our heroes' families must be upheld. Stay tuned to Law Street Journal for more updates on this case as it unfolds.